Good morning, I'm Kaulen. This is PHS News Today for Tuesday, August 27th. All students interested in National Honor Society or National Junior Honor Society, please check the list of eligible students posted outside of room 122, the main office, and the GAPS office. Applications for NHS and NJHS can be picked up from Ms. Higgins in room 122. Ms. Noble will also have NJHS applications. All applications are due back to Ms. Higgins in room 122 by 3:20 on Wednesday, August 28th. The application process is for new members only. Current members do not need to reapply. Booster Club members must have their signature fundraisers turned into Miss Miller in room 113 by the end of the day on Wednesday. If your fundraiser is late, those names will not be published. Students, please check your email to make sure you're voting for class nominations for homecoming. Nominations will be submitted by Thursday, August 29th at 3:10. Nominees will be announced Friday. Tonight, girls golf will be playing at Crawford starting at 5:15. Boys junior high tennis will be playing at North Davies starting at 5:45. Girls varsity volleyball will be hosting Christian Academy starting at 6. Junior high volleyball will be at Orleans starting at 6. Drama Club is having a play selection meeting after school Wednesday to see what plays and musicals we want to consider this year. Want to stay in the loop about activities and important school announcements? Check your email. Drama and Tri-High Y members, you have an important things to read. Consider and answer the emails. Please check out emails from Ms. Wishart. I'm Colin, and that's your afternoon news. Have an amazing day.